The new bishop, Reverend Johnson Twinomojuni, said that he is aware of the challenges the diocese has faced which have sowed seeds of discord in the church. However, he believes there is a ray of hope that the turbulence that has rocked the church will subside. He further said his appointment had come at a time when the country is faced with internal turmoil during the modern era precipitated by poisonous teachings. He promised to work with the church leaders to counsel, teach, guide in order to protect Christ's flock from the consequences of spiritual parody. He said his focus will be on spiritual growth and socio-economic transformation, and promised to have a diocese that is centered on Christ, theological soundness, spiritual alertness, love, and reconciliation. This is meant to harness the gospel and Christian virtues for people in the diocese to turn to God and live fruitful lives.
murekeri izoba turangirira kunaga inyuma ebiro byakemukirro obutabanguko no murabanamu.
President Museveni appealed to members of the mainstream churches to reconcile with born-again churches in order to teach the right Christian messages.
This is the chance to bring back our people back to our Anglican church, because so many people, because of the poor leadership and the lack of leadership, they have shifted and they are increasingly shifting to these other churches who have been investigated and found only stealing and cheating our people by asking money for blessings and prayers.
By the way, for me, as long as the born-again Christian churches are not misleading the people, for me, as an individual, I see no problem, because, for instance, I belong to both. There are those people who preach the message of grace, and they say, as long as you are forgiven, God, Jesus died on the cross, and the grace of Jesus is sufficient. You may go and do sins. Your body can do sins as long as your spirit is okay.
Divisions in Western Korea will completely come to an end. I'm very sure of this, because so far the goodwill that we have already experienced in Western Korea is a good mark that really a new beginning has ushered in.